Hey, if you run a small business, you're probably wasting hours every week on work AI can now do in seconds. Emails, marketing, content, customer support, all of it can now be automated. But the problem isn't finding AI tools. The real problem is choosing the right ones. Most founders end up paying for 5 different subscriptions and barely using half the features. So today, we're testing 5 free AI tools that can actually replace real work in your business. Not hype tools, not experimental tools, real tools that save time. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI tools can replace hours of manual work in 2026. The first tool is where most businesses start, and it's still one of the most powerful. ChatGPT. But most people only use ChatGPT for writing simple text. That's barely scratching the surface. In reality, ChatGPT can generate entire marketing campaigns, blog outlines, customer support replies, even product descriptions in seconds. For example, if you run an e-commerce store, you can paste your product features into ChatGPT and generate 10 different product descriptions instantly. In our test, ChatGPT produced a full blog outline in under 10 seconds. Compare that to writing manually, which usually takes at least 20 minutes. That's a massive time difference. The only downside is that many advanced features require proper prompting. But once you learn the workflow, this tool becomes a daily productivity engine. The second AI tool solves a completely different problem: visual content. Because creating graphics for social media, ads, and presentations usually takes time. This is where Canva AI comes in. Inside Canva, you can now generate full designs using simple prompts. Posters, social media posts, marketing banners, even presentation slides. Instead of designing everything manually, you simply describe what you want. For example, Instagram post announcing a product launch, and Canva generates multiple design options instantly. In a quick test, a full social media graphic was generated in under 30 seconds. For small businesses without designers, this removes a major bottleneck. And the free version is already powerful enough for most marketing needs. Now let's talk about content creation. Because writing blog posts or marketing copy often takes hours. This is where Copy.ai becomes extremely useful. Copy AI specializes in generating marketing content, landing page text, email campaigns, ad copy, sales headlines. Instead of staring at a blank page, you start with structured templates. For example, entering a product description can instantly generate multiple ad variations. In our test, Copy AI produced 10 headline options in under 15 seconds. That kind of speed can dramatically improve marketing workflows, especially for founders managing multiple channels. Now, the fourth tool is one of the most underrated AI tools right now, and it's changing how videos are created. Pictory AI. Pictory converts text into video. You paste a script, and it automatically creates a video with visuals, subtitles, and transitions. For businesses creating social media content, this removes a major production barrier. Instead of filming videos manually, you can generate explainer content quickly. In testing, a 1-minute marketing video was created in less than 2 minutes. For content teams or marketing agencies, that speed is incredibly valuable. Now the final tool is focused on productivity. Because most small business teams struggle with organizing information, this is where Notion AI becomes powerful. Notion already works as a workspace for notes, planning, and projects. But with AI built in, it can summarize documents, generate task lists, and organize information automatically. For example, pasting meeting notes into Notion AI can generate action points instantly. In testing, a 10-paragraph meeting transcript was summarized in under 10 seconds. That turns messy information into clear decisions, which is exactly what founders need. So, here's the quick cheat sheet. ChatGPT is the best AI engine for writing, brainstorming, and business workflows. Canva AI is the fastest way to generate visual content. Copy AI is built specifically for marketing and sales copy. Pictory AI converts scripts into videos automatically. And Notion AI helps organize information and workflows. Each tool solves a different business bottleneck, which means together they can automate a surprising amount of work. But before you leave, here's one power tip most users miss. Many of these AI tools become significantly more powerful when connected together. For example, you can generate a blog outline with ChatGPT, turn it into marketing copy using Copy AI, and convert it into a video using Pictory. That's a full content workflow powered by AI. So if you're running a small business in 2026, these tools aren't optional anymore. They're productivity multipliers. Start with one tool that solves your biggest bottleneck, then expand your workflow from there. If you want deeper breakdowns of the best SaaS tools for business, marketing, and automation, subscribe to Mercatum Digital. And for full comparisons and tool guides, visit www.mercatumdigital.com.